If you are wondering if you can lock apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, if we open our settings, we'll be able to find option called secure folder in our security and privacy, and then more security settings right here. So as you can see, there's secure folder. I've made a dedicated video on how to perform first setup for it, so if you're interested, you can watch it. And then in secure folder, we'll be able to select to add apps. So let's click on this plus button and then, for example, add Facebook. And now we can lock our secure folder and exit it, which means if we want to launch Facebook through it, we'll need to unlock it. And yes, you can lock apps, but keep in mind that Facebook still exists on our phone right here in the Facebook, not in the secure folder. The other Facebook that we've added right here is a copy of it, which means you'll be able to add a different account or just use something else on it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.